This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at barcode scanner use with cash registers. If you're not familiar with how the barcode scanners work, I mean it's really simple. They basically speed everything up for you and minimise mistakes. So once you've programmed all your products into the register and got your barcode scanner set up, generally you'll have two types of barcode scanner. You'll have what's called a single beam scanner like this one, so it just has one beam, or you'll have a omnidirectional scanner which will have lots of beams shooting out. So you'll recognise an omnidirectional scanner from any of the big supermarkets would have those. They're much more aggressive because they've got lots of beams, so they'll read a barcode faster, and also they're better at reading damaged barcodes. But essentially it's doing the same thing. All you're doing when you scan a barcode is the scanner's obviously reading the number there, and then the till's been programmed to know that that barcode is Spanish words book and is £9.99. So that's as complicated as it gets. You literally scan the barcode and then carry on with the sale as normal. You can do multiples, or most registers will let you do multiples, so you can do 5 times and then scan the barcode. So it's just another way. If you imagine that you were working in a pub and you pressed the Carling button and someone wanted 6 pints, you could just do 6 multiply the button. Where it does get complicated, or can get complicated with barcode scanning, is if you scan a barcode, the machine beeps, but then it comes up with some kind of message. Generally, most machines will let you put a sale through in an emergency. So what's happened is the till saying, I don't recognise this product. It's coming up with a barcode. So if this works, if you happen to know the price of whatever this item is, you know the price of it, you can simply type it in, £89.99, hit this button here. You'll have to assign it to a department. So a department, if you're not aware, is a category of sale. So when you sell something through the till, whether you're aware of it or not, it's going through a department. So a department could be books, could be groceries, could be non-VAT items, it could be toiletries. So departments are really important, but for this purposes I'm just going to stick this one into department 1, and then this is a weird thing to do with this machine. I'll set that to no delete. It basically means that the machine will automatically delete the item if I don't sell it for a certain number of days. Okay, so that's let me ring that item through. So now if I scan it again, has the barcode gone? It'll work on it. I can then at a later date I can then check. Oh, that's a different problem. I have now rung too high an amount for it to say that. There we go. So that's let me put that item through. I can then go into the programming mode and double check that I've put that item into the correct department. If I haven't, I can then move it around in there. But that's basically how to use a barcode scanner. They're really, once they've been programmed, they're really straightforward, and obviously they help you sell your items much faster than you imagine. You've sold this book and you didn't have the barcode programmed in. You'd have to type in the price, remember where the books department was, and then sell it that way. It's just a bit more cumbersome. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty of video tutorials on using cash registers, some of which will be model specific. So if you want to look at something specific for your Sharp register, feel free to go on the Sharp Help website. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or check out any of the videos that are appearing on screen now. Thanks for watching.